agreed to meet at 8:15. Don't keep the TV near the heater. It's extremely easy to cheat when the teacher isn't here. Please speak to Peter about the employee meeting. Steve will reread the email before he leaves. Kim will visit her big sister Linda in Virginia. In the beginning, it was difficult for Jim to quit drinking. The Smiths invited him to an informal dinner. The city has an interesting history. When did Bill Clinton visit the Middle East? She complained about her weight but ate the cake anyway. Jack hates waiting for trains and planes. It's rain and hails in April and May. I will stay in the camp even though it's late. My neighbor from Spain moved away today. Without some extra effort, you will never excel. Jenny and her friend had eggs for breakfast. I expect the season to end at 10. On the 7th of February, the weather has wet. I see my best friend Fred every 7 days. This is your last chance to give me an accurate answer. Sam sat at the back of the maths class. Danny had a salad and a sandwich in the cafeteria. Nancy has a bad attitude in her Spanish class. Kathy would rather study acting in the National Academy. Ronald is confident that he got the job. Scott gets a lot of rock concerts. The doctor operates in the modern hospital. Bob will probably lock the office. He's got a lot of dollars in his pocket. Your younger brother doesn't trust us. What country does he come from? I had another fun summer in London. I don't have much stuff in the trunk of my truck. I love the sunny summer months. The audience applauded even though the talk was awful. His small doctor thought the Santa Claus would come in August. I saw your mother-in-law in the mall. He bought an automobile at the auction last fall. This house is awesome, Paula. We both hope it's going to snow. Oh no, don't open the window. It's cold. Do you want to go bowling or roller skating? I choose a bowl of soup, potatoes, roast beef, and soda. I don't know if John smoked. Would you help me look for my book? The sugar cookies taste good. The butcher is a good cook. He would read the book if he could. Butch visited his old neighborhood in Brooklyn. The new roof was installed in June. I drink fruit juice and eat a lot of soup. Your blue shoes are really cool. I need proof that you're telling the truth. The statue and the avenue is truly beautiful. I will work during the third term. They serve turkey for dinner. Her purple shirt is dirty. She gave birth to a third girl. It's not worth worrying about another birthday. Why is the price so high for that design? The wildfire started on Friday night. He was tired after hiking for 5 hours. It's a 9-hour drive to Aloha. We had lime pie and dry white wine. I doubt the clown will say something profound. There are flowers all around the house. Is that your spouse in the brown blouse? The clouds behind the mountain will bring showers. The brown cow is near the fountain. He destroyed the poison by flushing it down the toilet. Roy had an appointment in Detroit. Joyce is annoyed and a little paranoid. I was disappointed with Joyce's choice. Why is Floyd avoiding Roy? Every member of my family is left-handed. My best friend Frank is a successful dentist. Kenny's bad headache lasted several days. Glenn drank 10 glasses of fresh lemonade. Everyone was happy that he was elected president. Don't forget to thank Dan for his gorgeous present. My cousin is in another country. I love some of those colors. He makes a ton of money every month. My other brother comes once a month. Nothing was done on Monday. None of the above are good enough. We all thought the show went to Rome. I bought some clothes at the mall. The audience applauded when the snow was over. Paul is going home in August. We're going for a walk, even though it's cold. The author wrote his autobiography.